I'm sure you have heard about solar panels, and it's a great idea. You know, what is the idea about solar panels on your roof? So basically, you are paying to the energy company a monthly amount. Let's say it's $320. And with solar, you can pay $200 a month instead of $320. Now that is a great idea because you are like, okay, I'm reducing my monthly bill by $100 or more. And now it's gonna be a flat rate that is not gonna change for the next 20-25 years. So the energy company is not gonna be able to raise my bill, and I'm gonna have more control of my finances. That is a great idea. But in reality, what are the consequences of us homeowners get solar? So I'm gonna explain you here what are the consequences of getting solar and how you can do it properly and save even more money in the long term. So when you buy solar panels, you either buy cash or you have to finance it, right? So that's one way of getting solar energy. You have to buy them. Now, when you finance it, you have to pay 30 to 37% of the price. Let's say, for example, the price for the system is $50,000, right? Now you have to pay 30% above $50,000, which you are not gonna pay out of your pocket, but you're gonna finance it. So that is one downside. The other downside is that you have to pay interest rate. Right now, at this moment, September 2024, minimum interest rate is 3.99, right? So you're gonna pay 3.99 or up on interest because of the purchase that you made with solar. Now, because you own the panels, you also have to insure it. You gotta contact your insurance company, right? Your home insurance, and then you're gonna insure the panels, which is gonna bring your insurance monthly payment is gonna bring it up. Now, because it goes up, it means that these savings that you were going to have, it gets a little bit shorter. But it's still a good idea because you're paying less and it's a flat amount. So you have to insure it. You also have to maintain it. You have to pay for maintenance and cleaning the solar panels at least twice a year. That is an expense that is gonna come out of your pocket, right? The other downside of this is that it's gonna affect your debt to income, right? Because those $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 are gonna show up in your credit, right? So if you wanna purchase another home in the future, you wanna buy a car, you wanna do anything with your credit, this is gonna affect your ability to do so because you're gonna be $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 in debt. So you have to think about that. And the other thing is that you have to obviously do the monthly payment, right? So what if there is a way where you don't have to worry about any of this, but you can still get the benefit of lowering your monthly bill by sometimes half of it and have more control of your finances? You don't have to pay any lender fee because you don't own the panels. You are leasing it, okay? You are renting it. It's like paying for a service. So for example, when you hire or you pay for internet in your house, what they give you for internet, the modem, the thing, you don't own it, right? When you cancel the service, you have to give it back. You only have a monthly payment for the service. So it will be exactly the same with solar. You're gonna do a monthly payment for the service, but you don't own the solar panels. Now, you're gonna have a purchase option. If you wanna purchase it, you can purchase it. But if you don't have to worry about any of this. You don't have to contact your insurance company to insure it. The solar company is gonna insure it for you. So your insurance is not gonna go up. You don't have to pay interest on it because you are not financing anything. It's not gonna affect your debt to income. It means that in your credit, the solar system is never gonna show up, so it's not gonna affect any future purchases that you might have to do, right? And you only have to worry about your monthly payment. That is the only thing that is your responsibility. Just do the monthly payment, right? So, other thing that also when you buy solar panels is that people tell you that you have a tax incentive, right? So you have a tax incentive. What is tax incentive? It could be, for example, if the cost is $50,000 and you qualify for the tax incentive, then it means that the IRS can give you back around $15,000, right? Now, what most people are not gonna tell you is that not a lot of people qualify for it, because you actually have to own this amount for you to get it. Now, if you have a lot of kids or you don't own that amount, you're not gonna get a check from the IRS for $15,000. So a lot of people don't tell you that. Now, if you don't have to worry, you don't wanna worry about any of this. You wanna have the monthly savings, right? And if you wanna purchase it, you can do it in the future. Leasing the system, it is the best idea, right? My name is Luis. I not only can help you saving the monthly money, but I can also help you with other things that you might wanna do in your home. Any upgrades that you might wanna do. You wanna put a new roof, you wanna put a new water heater, you wanna change your AC, whatever you might need, I can help you do it when you lease the solar system. So I'm gonna be here. If you have any questions, please let me know. My phone number and contact information is gonna be below.